Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how we can simply divide a page in Notion. So let's just start. There are actually many ways how we can do it. You can do it by divider, by creating columns, and let's just start. So first I'm going to just write here text 1, then I will press enter text 2. What you can do is just simply take the text 2 and like go to the right side of the page, and you will create simple column. You can also like create multiple columns. I will just duplicate this and just take it, and voila, here are free. Now what you can do is when I'm going to press enter, I can just write into this column. So what can I do is this. Change the color to, I don't know, the background, and create this, like, I don't know, lists and everything. So this is what you can do. This is how you can do it by columns. Then what you can do is also choose divider like this to divide the columns here. And then another thing what you can do is to divide by vertical. So when you're going to click plus, you're going to click quote, right? And just press here shift enter, shift enter, shift enter. And this is how I can simply create a divider. And what can I do is this. So I would just move, oh my god, like here. And then I can just copy the divider I have here. Oh my god, what did I just did? Damn. And you can like optimize the divider. This is pretty tricky, so I will do here, I will just take the again quote, and I can paste it again here. I can move text too. I hope I'm not going too fast, but this is how you can simply do it. And you can like divide page like this, and you can optimize it as much as you want, do it like you want, but this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments, and have a great day and goodbye.